Welcome to this video on choosing the right electrical socket for your appliances. We will compare 5A and 15A sockets, focusing on safety first. Always use the correct socket for the correct appliance. Choosing the right socket is vital, because using the wrong one is a serious safety and fire hazard. Overloaded sockets cause 40% of home electrical fires and can cost over 5,000 rupees to repair. A 5A socket is rated for 5 amperes and handles a maximum load of 1,100 watts. They have small pins and are typically used for low-power devices like fans, lights, phone chargers, and laptops. The 15A socket is heavy-duty, rated for 15 amperes, and supports up to 3,300 watts. It features larger pins and is essential for high-power appliances such as air conditioners, geysers, and washing machines. The core difference lies in the maximum wattage and current rating. 5A handles up to 1,100 W with standard wiring, while 15A handles up to 3,300 W and requires heavier wiring and a stronger MCB. The most notable physical difference is the pin size. 5A sockets have small pinholes, approximately 5 millimeters in diameter, suitable for standard household appliances. 15A sockets have visibly larger pinholes, about 8 millimeters, for heavy-duty appliances. 5A sockets power everyday low-wattage items like LED lights, fans, TVs, laptops, and chargers. 15A sockets are reserved for high-power appliances like air conditioners, geysers, washing machines, and microwave ovens. Electricians, take note of the wiring requirements. 5A sockets need 1.5 square millimeter copper wire and a 5A or 6A MCB. 15A sockets need much thicker 4.0 square millimeter wire and a 15A or 20A MCB. Never use undersized wiring. Using the wrong socket is dangerous. It can lead to overheating and fire, socket burnout, severe electric shock, and premature appliance damage due to insufficient current. Avoid these common mistakes. Never use an adapter to force a 15A plug into a 5A socket. Don't use extension boards for high-power appliances or plug multiple heavy appliances into one socket. Ignoring warm or sparking sockets is extremely dangerous, so switch off immediately and call an electrician. You can visually identify sockets by their pin size. 5A sockets have small pinholes and are labeled 5A. 15A sockets have larger pinholes, are labeled 15A, are often placed near heavy appliances, and often feature a switch or indicator light. When installing sockets, always switch off the MCB first. Use the correct wire gauge, 1.5 square millimeter for 5A and 4.0 square millimeter for 15A. Correctly connect the live, neutral, and earth wires, and ensure all terminals are properly tightened. Finally, test the socket before closing the circuit. Earthing, or the third pin, is crucial for safety. It protects from shock by diverting fault current safely to the ground and prevents fire by ensuring the MCB trips immediately. It also physically opens the socket's safety shutters. Never use non-earthed 2-pin adapters for 3-pin appliances. To quickly decide which socket you need, check your appliance's wattage. If the appliance is above 1,000 watts, use a 15A socket with heavy wire and a 15 to 20 MCB. If it is under 1,000 watts, a 5A socket with standard wiring and a 5A MCB is sufficient. This quick reference table summarizes common appliances and their corresponding socket type. Low-wattage devices like lights and laptops require 5A sockets, while high-wattage appliances like air conditioners, geysers, and washing machines require 15A sockets. Use this socket safety checklist to ensure a safe electrical installation. Verify appliance wattage. Use correct socket types, fit the right MCB rating, use the correct wire gauge, and always verify proper earthing and wiring polarity. The right components ensure a safe, efficient, and fire-free electrical setup.